There's also a movement afoot to get away from the traditional teller model, where you get customer service people who can do everything within a branch. Is that more of a challenge when it comes to hiring? Are branch consumers going to feel like they're being sold to instead of being given customer service? Are you going to have to hire new tellers who can sell?
You need to hire people that can and will engage in a conversation.
Okay.
Again, we were talking at lunch. There's a preconceived notion of the person inside the branch.
Mm-hmm.
And I really don't care if it's the branch manager, the relationship manager within the branch, or the teller. But there's a perception that if I walk into the bank, I'm in a hurry.
Sure.
Our thinking is, well, if I was in a hurry, then I would have done drive-through.
Yep.
Or use technology to conduct my business. Yeah. Now, it doesn't mean I won't be in a hurry, but let's not jump to the conclusion that I'm in a hurry.
Exactly.
And so really what banks need to be thinking about today in their hiring process is looking for people who are comfortable engaging in a conversation, not necessarily a sales conversation,
sure,
but just a conversation about, hey, it's great to see you come back in your branch today. Hope things are going well. Last time we talked, Jimmy was getting ready to go off to college. How's that going?
Yep.
As you're conducting the business that I came in for, what people have to get comfortable with is, I've never taken the time to ask you the question, how does this particular asset of yours fit into your overall portfolio for financial freedom? I mean, that's what we need to teach. So I'm not going to get hung up on, is that the teller, is that the branch manager, is that the universal banker? It really comes down to, when someone walks in, they're going to see the face of the bank.
Yep.
What does that person need to be able to do? Let's forget about the title. What do they need to be able to do?
Sure. It's a challenge.
Oh, it is. Big challenge. And one of the challenges is, like we said before, is the pool has shrunk.
Yeah.
And the pool that is available today doesn't have quite the patience as our generation, not to give that away.
Yeah.
But, there's an immediate gratification they're searching for. And one of the challenges is that at that entry point, there's a tendency for those younger folks, first career people, to chase the next quarter.
Sure. That's just honestly the way they've been raised somewhat in business.
Yeah. So we have to do a better job up front, sifting through that and trying to find those people who are looking for something that's career building or career transformational.
Good.